Greetings and a warm welcome to this lecture. Within the realm of LaTeX documentation, a LaTeX environment refers to a defined portion or segment within the LaTeX document that offers control over the presentation, arrangement, and functionality of your content. LaTeX, a widely adopted typesetting system, is frequently employed for document creation, notably in academic, scientific, mathematical, and technical writing contexts. The use of LaTeX environment empowers you to organize your content effectively and implement tailored formatting for various sections of the content. In the present lecture, we will cover how to enumerate, itemize, nested itemize, left, right, center flush of the content, and application of a theorem command to automate our content, and the numbering of the definition, theorem, note, etc. Now I have opened the same file which I used for the previous lecture, and in this file, all the content which I want to present has been introduced. So one thing I let you know, when you comment the statement, and to comment in the statement or comment for some text, that will hide the content from your file. So see here on the right hand side, you can see these content are appeared at this place in the section number 4. A LaTeX environment refers to a define, and when you will build the file from this place, and all these content are appeared on the right hand side. But if I comment these content by using Ctrl+T, Ctrl+T is the shortcut key to comment the content. Now when I will again build the file, you can see the color of the text changed, and when I will again build the file, and you will see that these content are not printed in the PDF file. And if again you want to uncomment, then use Ctrl+U, Ctrl+U. Okay, this will uncomment the content, and again when you build, the same content are appeared in the PDF file. Now see, in the previous lecture we already used about enumerate, but once again I am going to repeat here. Then we discuss about the itemize and nested item. Okay, so see here, first I need to uncomment this statement by using Ctrl+U. Okay, so these content now will be published in the PDF file. Here you can clearly see that if you want to increase the font size, you can do from this place. Yes. So at this place I have one is I love my country, two is I love my parent, and third is I have many friends. And for this we use this command. So here there are two things. One is sometimes you need to print the code which you create in the text file, and also sometimes you have programming in other languages like C, C++, Python, etc., and you want to print the code same as it is, because there are various type of symbols, and when you will insert, when you want to print, this will not be printed as we required. So for that, to print the code, you will use verbatim. Verbatim command will help us to print the code as we write in our text file. Okay, so here by using these statements are printed after the section 4.1, as you can see, and begin enumerate and enumerate. These will enumerate all the items which we will insert between these two statements, and for each we will use /item. /item is the command, and after that we have the content. So this will automatically itemize, enumerate all the items. Okay. Then after, if you want to insert some more, suppose I am copying from this place and paste all these statement here. So now when I will again build this file, and you can see all the numbers are automatically inserted on the right hand side. Now how we can insert itemize? Itemize is another format when we required in the bullet form, etc. Okay, so first I need to uncomment all these statement, and here is the code, and all these statement will be appeared in our document. Okay, how this will work. And when you will build this file, first we are going to build and then we will explain. So these statement slash begin itemize and slash end itemize, these are used for the itemize, which you can see at this place. First is I love my country, then I love my parent, I have many friends, and these are separated by bullet. Bullet are used at this place. When you note customize, then bullet will appear automatically. Okay, so here you can see these statements are used, and begin verbatim and end verbatim is used for the to print commands which are required for the same. Okay, and these command at this place you can see will itemize this statement. And also you can see subsection will automatically generated in the text file, because this is a scientific document and we need to worry about the same. All the things are managed by LaTeX automatically, and numbers, their section, subsection, and corresponding numbers there. Now we have custom itemize. How we can do customize? Okay, you can do see at this place I am using these statement, and print at this place and build the file. So now here you can see at this place in the section 4.3 slash begin itemize and slash end itemize. In the between these two statements we have slash item, then we customize at this place we are using square bracket and there is I. So when you are using this statement, this will be itemized in this format I love my country. Okay, and in the second statement we are using square bracket. Okay, square bracket is used for the option, which type of option you want to use, and then you can see in the braces there is A, and this bracket will appear in the second statement at this place you can see. Okay, and slash item, here we have only the bracket, square bracket, and then we have capital A. Okay, and this will return in this form. So these are the corresponding statements which are appeared on the right hand side. I comment this statement and again build the file. So you can see these three statements are used for the corresponding this custom itemize. Okay, so here is one more example. You can uncomment by using Ctrl+U and build the file, and you can see. Okay, here you can use like Roman letters. I want to replace this statement by using the Roman letters. Okay, then here is yes. So when you will build, you can see on the right hand side these are changed into the Roman letters. Again, we have most important thing, nested itemize. First, you need to understand what is nested. Sometimes we have one item and under that particular item we have sub items. So in that case, we are enumerate, then we have itemize, and vice versa. See here a very interesting example I am giving you. First, I need to uncomment all these statement because to save our time, I already prepared the file so that in the minimum time I can explain many things. Yes. So on the right hand side, first observe all these statement which are appeared on the right hand side. Enumerate one, medical, and then we have two, non-medical. So these are appeared by using enumerate. You can see here enumerate, begin enumerate, and end enumerate. Okay. Then we have for the enumerate we are using here this statement. This will return medical, and this will print on the right hand side non-medical. Now you can see under medical there are three options are there: biology, physics, and chemistry. And to itemize, you will use again begin itemize and end itemize. So this will return us /item are used for the biology, physics, and chemistry. If you want to customize this, you can do as we discussed above. And similarly, under non-medical, we have mathematics, physics, and chemistry. These are appeared by using this statement. So in this way, you can easily insert nested itemize. Okay. If you want to customize this, then you will use this bracket, and at its place you will insert. You can insert this bracket, and in this in the side of bracket we have A. Then at its place we have again, and use this bracket. Then we have B, and at its place we have then C. And when again you will build, again you need to rebuild this file, and you will see that bullet are replaced into A, B, and C. Similarly, you can replace at this place also. This is A, then we have is B, and here is C, and rebuild the file. So you can see this looks more beautiful than before. Now we have flush left, right, and center. So how you can insert? I need to uncomment all these statement and Control U. So here, when I build the file, you can see if you are using flush left, the content inside this will align from the left side. If you break the lines, see here, I have this is the first line, then I break the line by using a double slash. Okay, so when I will build the this file, you can see on the right hand side these are the statement, and on the left side is aligned but not right. And if you are using flush right, this will maintain the right side alignment. You can see at this place. And when you are using slash begin center and slash end center, center is used to maintain the content in the center of your document. So these are three: flush left, right, and center to use in your content according to your requirement. Now there is most important thing that sometimes we need to create our environment according to our desire. Sometimes your content contain remarks, claim, note, theorems, queries, etc. So for this, to create your environment for your document, this is very quite simple. First, come to at this place on the top. Here you can see slash new theorem definition, and again we have definition. So this is the code which we will use for the our content, and this will print. Okay, see here, I want to write here slash begin definition and end definition slash end definition. Okay, so this is the end definition. Between these two, LaTeX is a scientific document typesetting. So when you will build this file, see here we have definition 1. You can see here the definition. If you are using this content again, so at this place we have different content, different definitions. Okay, so this will create automatically numbers of the definition. This is the second definition. So in your document there will be various definitions. There are various remarks in your document. There are various note, claims, etc. So you can define all these by using this statement at this place. Okay, so all the environment is created at this place. Okay, this is the part of environment. So packages and the other statement are inserted which are useful for the entire document. So environment will be created at this place. Now suppose if you have note, so for the note you will use again, here is I am using, this will be used while creating the note, and when you will build the file, this must be print in this form. Okay, here I am using, this is note, and I convert is in the form of note. And when you will rebuild, and you can see on the right hand side, now this is note 1. Okay, definition 1, note 1. Again, when you will copy all these statement, and I am pasting at the same place. Yes, so when you will rebuild this file, so you can see here is definition 1, then I have note 1, again I have definition 2 and note 2. Copy all these statement, paste here, and also paste all these at this place. Yes, I am doing here. Yeah, yes, build the file. So here you can see this is the definition 6, note 1, note 5, then definition 7, note 6. Okay, so when you will come back on the top, yes, here you can see also definition 1, note 1, definition 2, note 2, and all these numbers of these remarks are generated automatically. If you want to insert a remark in your document, okay, so you need to create remark, then you can use. So all these are created at this place by using slash new theorem. Okay, with the help of a new theorem, you can create anything which you need for your document. Here is remark, and you want to print remark as, okay, so the numbering will be appeared automatically. Suppose I am replacing this one as remark, and this is also I have to convert into remark. Okay, when I will rebuild the file, and you can see on the right hand side we have, this is the remark 1. If you have theorems mathematically, you can do the same. Here are some more examples. You can see these are the mathematical part. Okay, this is the begin theorem and end theorem, and can comment this statement by using Ctrl plus U. This is the new section, and under this section we have subsections. Okay, you can use subsection. So when you will build this one, there will be error. First, we need to create environment for theorems. Come on the top, we need this statement at this place. Only then you can use for theorem. Now, there are several theorems mathematically. You have queries, you have claims. Just you need to replace these content, and the new statement is required. Okay, so according to your requirement, you can customize all these things. So when you will build this file, yes, it is correct. And come here. Yes, this is the part. When you will right click on this place and press on click to jump to the line, you come to LaTeX content. Okay, so here you can see this numbers of the sections are automatically generated. This is the subsection, and under this subsection we have again subsection. This is 4.6, then we have 4.6.1. okay, so all these numbering of the entire document will be controlled by LaTeX automatically. And first you need to create this theorem. The theorem is not printed. You can print the theorem also. Yes, copy and then press. Again build the file. Yes, so for this theorem we are using /begin theorem and /end theorem. Okay, but this will work only if you have created the environment for the theorem. So this statement is required on the top in the environment. You can see we use this statement. We have created the environment for our document, and that's why we have theorem 1, theorem 2, theorem 3. All these will be generated automatically. If this statement is not here, I comment this statement. See what happen. Control T. When now this statement will not work. Build the file, and you see there is error. And at this place you can see the begin document LaTeX error environment theorem. Okay, so this will be removed only if you will uncomment. We need this environment, only then our document will be customized according to our requirement. Now build the file. Yes, now it is working. And this is the page number 5, and right click on it. In the same way, if you have a lemma, note, we have discussed, queries we have discussed. So in this way you can create all these things. In your document you can see there will be some algorithms, axioms, case, claim, conclusion, condition, conjecture, queries, criterion, definition, example, exercise, lemma, notation, problem, proposition, remark, solution, summary. So all these can be easily customized for your document, and once you create your environment, then you need not worry about this, and just you need little practice, and you can easily create the entire long document, and you need not to worry about their numbering, their page number, etc. Along with we can use labels. This will be covered in the coming sessions. Labels and the numbers, this type of environment help us to maintain our long document scientifically. So thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.